In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically back up n8n workflows to GitHub. By the end, you'll have a reliable automation that saves every workflow from your n8n instance into a GitHub repository, keeping your configurations safe and versioned with minimal effort. We'll start by setting up a schedule trigger. This is what kicks off the automation on its own. Choose an interval that makes sense for your environment, daily for most teams, or every few hours if workflows change frequently. Each time it fires, the rest of the process runs end-to-end without you having to touch anything. Next, we connect to GitHub to list the files that already exist in your backup repository. Pulling this directory snapshot is important because it lets the automation understand what's already there before making changes, preventing duplicates and unnecessary commits. We then aggregate all those file names into a single convenient list. By combining the results, it becomes straightforward to check whether a specific workflow backup already exists and to make decisions later on. After that, we retrieve all workflows from the n8n instance using the internal API. This fetch includes each workflow's name, tags, and configuration details. Think of it as taking a full snapshot of your automation logic, exactly as it runs today. Once we have that data, we convert each workflow into a cleanly formatted JSON file. JSON is ideal here because it captures the entire structure of a workflow and can be restored accurately if you ever need to roll back or migrate. Before sending anything to GitHub, we encode the JSON file as base64. GitHub's API expects content to be encoded this way for uploads and updates, so this step ensures every file transfers cleanly. We also prepare metadata for the backup. The automation generates a timestamp for the commit message and builds a file name based on the workflow name and tags, automatically lowercasing and removing spaces. This keeps your repository tidy and makes files easy to find. Now we check whether the file already exists in the repository. If it does, we update that file with the latest content, keeping your backup fully current while preserving history. If it doesn't, we create a brand new file so every workflow has coverage. And that's it. With this setup, your n8n workflows are consistently backed up to GitHub, versioned, and ready to restore whenever needed. Set your schedule, confirm repository access, and let the automation handle the rest.